Where are we going?
Arizona. I was gonna say Austin.
Arizona. Zoe. So. Look. Look, Zoe. We're taking Zoe to the DOG-HOTEL. And we're on our way to meet up with the other ladies for our trip. Let us know where we are. Let them know who you are.
I'm the Notori Johnson. We are on our way to somewhere great. Stay tuned to find out where to go be, to go exist, to go just.
What jungle are we in? What jungle are we in?
Right now, we just parked at the Amazon, but what we're gonna do, we saw 3 hyenas, and they're in their natural habitat. We thought about getting out to go see them up close, but we want to be quiet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just get our things. We're just gonna walk up close because we saw some hippos back there, and so we're gonna just try and be quiet and see what kind of footage we could get. Yeah. I got it. Yes,
This message is from Jesus, who introduces himself to the church of Sardis, watch, as he who has the 7 spirits of God. This is coming from Isaiah 11, one of the places, chapter 11, verses 1 and 2. There shall come forth a rod from the stem of Jesse, and a branch shall grow out of his roots. Talking about the breath of God.
Where we at? Say hi, Kiki. Fabulous, where are we?
We somewhere in Arizona doing all of the beautiful things that God would have us to do because we're his daughters. Daughters?
What part of the jungle are we in now?
Right now we're in the Amazon forest and we're going to go ahead and go inside and see if they have any antelopes, armadillos.
We're at Burlington Coat Factory. Where are we going?
To the park.
We're going to the park.
We're walking in the street of Arizona. And we're excited. We're going to the park because we want to see what kind of animals are there to meet us. Right now, over there yonder, we see a few bitchy birds. We're so excited. Breathe that in. You smell the fresh air. The open road. We're really excited.